Tēnā koutou katoa. We want to share with you some of the expectations that we outlined to our senior managers about becoming transformational leaders at the Wānanga o Aotearoa Leadership Summit. We want to create transformational leaders who can inspire success amongst our tauira. We need to work smarter to ensure that we help our tauira succeed and challenge the status quo to ensure our tauira enjoy a world-class experience. For us to inspire success, we need to ensure everything we do contributes to tauira success. We have created an inspiring animation that talks about transformational leadership at the Wānanga o Aotearoa for you to view and share with your whānau. In closing, I want to wish all our kaimahi and tauira a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ngā mihi mo te krihe mete me te tauhou.
Tēnā tātou. Let's talk about leadership. It's a new, old thing for us all, and we have a new way of articulating it. So here's an explanation of Te Paepaeroa, transformational leadership at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. He mihi nunui kia tātou katoa for taking up this cloak of inspirational leadership that continues to drive our kaupapa. Our leadership whakapapa, how we got here. For more than 30 years we've been growing, developing, learning and improving. Like the mighty tōtara, we stand tall for the world to see, planted in Papatuanuku and rising towards Ranginui. For more than 30 years we've been serving our people, transforming whānau through education. We acknowledge the aroha, mana, sacrifice and koha of those who have cleared the way. E kore e mutu ngā mihi kia rātou. The first ring of the tōtara defines our very beginnings in 1983 through to 2005. This represents a period of rapid growth. The second ring of the tōtara covers 2005 to 2013. This period saw Te Wānanga o Aotearoa become established as a global presence in Indigenous education. We needed strong and charismatic leaders. The third ring of the tōtara is where we are now. We need leaders across the organization to bring the best out of our people. So let's talk about where we want to go. As Dr. Bucknin said, to make our world a better place. To navigate and guide us forward, we can look to our kaupapa matua. Ko te kaupapa, ko ngā uara, ko te whakakitenga, ko te uaratanga, and ngā takepu, kaitiakitanga, ahurutanga, koha and mauriora. We are all here because we believe in this kaupapa. Te Paepaeroa is a special type of cloak, woven from the finest quality muka by skilled weavers. The intricate patterns made it a highly desirable garment. Kaupapa is central to all we do and central to Te Paepaeroa. That is why leadership in Te Wānanga o Aotearoa must be woven into our leadership framework or pattern. We lead through our kaupapa matua and take that leadership around the world. We are developing world-class leaders to be a world-class organization for tauira success. That is why Te Paepaeroa is so important, because our leadership efforts affect tauira. What we need. We already know this kind of leadership. We know what it feels like, and we recognize it when we see it. Giving it words and a name helps us to reawaken our understandings of leadership, to have conversations about it, and to enact it in the ways most needed today. Empowered leaders who are hautoa, courageous, auaha, innovative, maia, confident. Enterprising leaders who are nifa, bold, hikaka, venturesome, whaihua, get results. Authentic leaders who are whakawhirinaki, dependable, matatika, trustworthy, ngā kaunui, operate with aroha. Principled and courageous leaders who are tainga tinana, present, pono, honest, kanohi kitea, visible, haepapa, accountable. If we look at how to achieve these from our space and our place and our ways of knowing, doing and being, this is what we see. Ngā uara, how we act according to our values and how those values are woven into our character. The leadership strands or whenu are woven around ngā uara, in the same way as our kaupapa matua. Te Paepaeroa design, what we found. Kahutai Te Kanoa, weaver, artist, educator and daughter of revered weaver Tiggeres Te Kanoa, talks about a way of creating a Paepaeroa, a tāniku cloak of leadership. Te Paepaeroa is a featherless cloak that was worn by many of our beloved leaders. Each whenua has a meaning and a purpose. The kaupapa is the central whenua. Here you can see 9 kaupapa running down. Each one of these links us to both Papatua Nuku and Ranginui. This also acknowledges the balance brought by Māorekura and Whatukura. Te Paepaeroa design, what it looks like. Looking down on the cloak, you see this pattern and design. This is a symbol of leadership, a metaphor rich with whakapapa. The pattern is beautifully spiritually and physically aligned. The skill and art of creating a Paepaeroa requires a kaupapa and 4 whenua. The 4 whenua represent our skill, expertise and knowledge, the richness and value we each bring. The central kaupapa whenua and the 4 surrounding whenua are equally vital. Together they are strong. Together they endure. Together they create a Paepaeroa. Now let's see how the design represents the framework. This is the leadership framework with 5 whenua. Our kaupapa matua is the central whenua of Te Paepaeroa. It is the central lens through which all leadership is focused. We lead through our kaupapa matua. The other 4 whenua of Te Paepaeroa, we lead through achievement of organisational goals, we lead people, we lead communication and collaboration, and we lead innovation. Te Paepaeroa is for all of us. As we weave kaupapa and whenua through our practice every day, we realise the leadership aspirations of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, world-class leaders dedicated to tauira success. E hara taku toa I te toa takitahi, engari taku toa he toa takitini. My strength is not that of an individual, but rather my strength is that of the many. Kia ora tātou.